student, standard 7th English medium, subject maths, exercise 3.4, question number 1. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. So here it is given some information and we have to say that it's what type of the situation. First is, here it is given that you are older today than yesterday. So that type of, it's certain to happen. A tossed coin will land heads up. It can be happen but not certain. A हो सकता है students, but it's not sure. So it will be answer that it can happen but not certain. A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. We know that in a die there are 1 to 6 numbers. So 8 comes off on the top. So it is impossible. So here we write in third number it is impossible. Now the next fourth number, the next traffic light seen will be green. So it can be happen but not certain. Fifth, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. So it is also it can happen but not certain. A situation हो सकता है but we can't say sure. So it will be happen but not certain. Now the next question number 2. There are 6 marbles in a box with numbers 1 to 6. Now we have to find what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2. So each number will becomes 1 times. So the probability of total number of marbles equals to 6 and the probability of a marble with 2 numbers. So probability of drawing 1 marble is 1 upon 6 and the second number, the probability of drawing a marble with the 5. So all the numbers come 1 times. So the probability of drawing 1 marble of 5. So here it is also a 1 upon 6. And then after next question number 3. A coin is flipped to decide which team start the game. So what is the probability that your team will start? So a coin has 2 possible outcomes, head and tail. So probability of getting head or tail is equal. दोनों के जो chances है वो equal chances है because there are 2 chances is there, head and tail. So it will be possibilities of same 1 upon 2. So the starting game probability P equals to 1 upon 2.